Hi, everybody, and welcome back to Mrs. B's Kitchen, where we're going to do simple cooking. Because of the holidays, I am making some special dishes that I would like to share with everybody. Um, One's going to be an upside down pineapple cake using Betty crackers. Okay, so it calls for, of course, the packet. So I'm going to take the packet that was in the box. And Betty Crocker is just like $1 or something. And then I'm going to take 3 eggs. One, two, uno, dos. And then I'm going to take 1 cup of water. And all this is on the back of the box. Just pour it in there. Go find my kitchen. I have a lot of food I have to prepare. I'm going to upload these in individual videos, though. That way, if you're just looking how to make yams, you can just tune into that channel or that video and watch it. Then what you're going to do is you're going to mix everything. Oops. Bloopers. All right. Just mix it up. I have the oven already preheating on 350. You can see pretty good. Just mix it up. So all the lumps are gone. And I have that on the lowest speed, believe it or not. Do that right there for now. I'm going to set this aside. All right. Then I'm going to take my cake pan and spray it like so. Just a little bit so it doesn't stick. Then what I'm going to do is take a paper towel because it is an upside down pineapple cake. And I'm gently just going to blot the oil. Rub it in there so it's not too moist. Like so. Okay. Okay. Then what I'm going to do is take my can of pineapples. You can use chunks or you can use slices. And I'm going to open it up. Don't cut yourself. And this is probably about $1 or so. And what I'm going to do is go ahead and put that there for now and grab my brown sugar. And you won't use all the brown sugar that you buy for it. You save it for other things like the yams. I have some dark brown sugar too. So what I'm going to do, and you don't have to do it, it's just one or the other, is I'm going to sprinkle a little dark sugar on it. And I'm making a double layer cake. And now I'm going to take some of the light sugar and put it at the bottom. And then just like you do with flour, you're just going to go like that a little bit to spread it around. I love me some pineapple upside down cake. just like that. Okay. And then what I'm going to do is get the pineapples and just lay them in there right next to each other. Drop a little bit of brown sugar in the batter. It shouldn't hurt it. Another fork. I don't like to contaminate food items. Try to speed this up for you. Now, if you don't have room in the pan, if you take one and put one in the middle, like a 5-star, and then sprinkle some more. This is your topping, so you want to do plenty. Let's not do that again. Oh, that looks good. Takes a minute to do the pineapples and stuff because that's your topping. Make it with love and everything will turn out. Okay. Now I'm going to pour a little pineapple juice on top. If it sinks to the bottom of the cake, it's fine. I'm just moisturizing the brown sugar. See that? Just let it flow around to the sides. Oh, isn't that going to be good? All right. Same with the other one. See how the juice is just sitting there? Now you just want to let it, don't spill it all over your floor. Okay. And just kind of tap it, make sure it's leveled. You still see too much juice, just add to it. Okay, I think we got it. Let me wash my hands. Okay, so we have that in the pans. And so what we've done so far is we just mix the cake batter, follow the directions on the back of the box. Then we open up the can of pineapples, we're just reviewing, and we laid them down, put the brown sugar, make sure you spray your pan. Now it's time to put the cake batter into the pans. Try it, do it evenly if you're making a double one. If there's any powder at the bottom of it, you got a chance to mix it up. This is your cake. There's no right or wrong as long as it turns out. So now that's how it looks. Once you put the batter on top, I'm going to go ahead and put it in the oven. And it tells you on the back of the box how long you should cook it for. All right. And it says 2 round pans. I'm doing 2 square ones, so about 28 to 33 minutes. Because it's so thick, I'm going to go ahead and do the 33 minutes. Alright, so that's cooking. And when it comes out, I'll let you see how it turns out, guys. It's going to be delicious. But I won't be able to show you today how good it tastes because, of course, it's for Thanksgiving tomorrow. Like I normally like to show. I can have a sample of it. Alright, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't yet. And please share my videos. I'll be back momentarily. Okay, guys, so it's time to take the cake out of the oven. And this is how it looks. I'm just going to set it on the table. And then what you do is you take a fork to make sure it's completely done. If it comes out clear, it's done. I'm going to let it cool off, and then I'm going to flip it over. Hi everybody, welcome back to Mrs. B. This is the second part of the cake. I have the pineapple side down cake. I'm about to flip it over. 1, 2, 3. Voila. Beautiful. Beautiful. It just looks scrumptious. Fixing my brown sugar to spot. Okay. Oh, it's caramelized. Look at that upside down pineapple cake. Beautiful. Now I'm going to add the second layer to it. Oh, yeah. Thanksgiving, guys. We got a... Ooh, I can't eat my fingers. Okay. So I'm going to take the other one. Oh. 1, 2, 3. Gotcha. Now, here we go. 1, 2. Gotta make it even. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. There we go. There it is. Ain't she a beauty? Oh, yeah. Double pineapple upside down cake. All right, guys. And none of us can taste it until Thanksgiving. Yeah, it's just not the same as a piece of cake. It's just a little brown sugar. But, oh my God, it's going to be good when I do dive in it. And then as I'm watching it, it's oozing down the side. That's what I'm talking about. Guys, it's easy to make simple foods in the kitchen. All right? So don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.